See this corrosion right here? This was all where my expansion tank was, and the reason why it's corroding is because of dissimilar metals. You got copper going into galvanized without a dielectric union, and that's what happens. And look inside that galvanized pipe, all rusted out. That's what galvanized plumbing looks like on the inside over time. The plumber's here to take care of it.
It's bad in there too.
Here's a closer look at that corrosion on the inside and that rust of that galvanized material. This is what galvanized piping does to your plumbing. And there's the new work from the plumber. Looks way better now. That's not junk.